support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
We have with us right now co-founder Minming Gu of Neakasa. Tell us a little bit about Neakasa and how you came to make these incredible products.
Okay. First of all, let me make a little correction.
Sure.
It's called Nikasa.
Nikasa?
So it's a play
Okay.
of neat, casa.
Gotcha.
So it's like neat home, per
Okay.
se. So it's
Gotcha.
really funny, first of all, a lot of people pronounce it in the way that you pronounce, but like we had this like recently, do you know Cesar Millan?
Mm-hmm.
So Cesar
Yeah.
Millan, okay, I respect him so much. He got our products and he tested it out. He's like, oh, this is amazing. He started his career as a groomer.
Yeah.
So he actually posted a video last week on TikTok about one of my pet grooming systems. It's not this one. It's an older, like the P2 Pro version, which was probably the one that I actually demoed here last year. And his last quote was, having Nikasa in my casa makes my life so much easier. I was like, oh, this is brilliant.
You couldn't get a better drop quote than that.
Yeah, I was like, this is exactly what this name represents for. Because we are a company focused on home cleaning. So we want people like casa to be clean and tidy. And a lot of like families have dogs and pets, right? And hair is like everywhere, basically, right? So this is actually the 4th generation of the pet grooming system we're working on. Yeah, we just recently launched last November-ish. But we had the first one launching like about 2.5 years ago in June 2021. And it was such a big hit. So it was like nothing similar in the market. Nothing similar. We basically created this category.
Wow.
And then it was like 6 months, we made it to the Amazon, the top seller, and then we introduced the second version, and then competition coming in. We continue to develop, like just input resources into developing like the newer generation, new generation, right? Until November, we came up with one. It's called Nikasa S1 Pro, okay? You don't have to remember the name S1 Pro. You can remember it as its nickname, Donut.
Okay.
Yeah, because look at the shape.
Yeah.
It is look like a donut shape, right?
That is a beautiful design.
Yeah. So like everyone's like, hey, this is a donut. So we make all these like promotions and marketing like as a little big donut shape, beautiful donut shape, so cute. But like the fancy thing is not like because of the look, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Like I would describe this product to be the most premium, the most professional home use pet grooming system. All right. And the most premium, the most professional. These 2 words mean something, all right? Yeah. So first of all, it has 8 different accessories, as you can see here, beautifully placed on this rack, okay? Most of the products on the market, including our own previous 3 generations, we have 3 accessories, including the clipper, brush, nozzle, daily brush, and de-shatter. But what are the 3 new ones that we introduced, right? So for the clipper, we actually introduced 2 more different heads, like accessory on top of it. You can literally pull the head out, like just pull. Yeah, pull.
Oh, yeah, look
and
at
then
that.
you can replace with the nail grinder and replace with a smaller clipper.
Cool.
So the nail grinder, like if you purchase one on Amazon, let's say, like independent nail grinder, it will be like $35 to $39.
Yeah.
Okay. And the smaller clipper, it's good for smaller areas, like for example, in between the paws, like around the ear, like around the mouth, you know, like those are actually pretty
detail
useful.
areas where you don't want a big blade.
Totally, exactly. So let's roll over. Yeah, let's roll over to this side so you can have a better look. So these 3 are the same thing. So this is the daily brush. Okay, this is the rake. This is de-shatter. So rake is a new accessory that we introduced. All right. Can you please also take off the de-shatter as well?
Sure.
Yeah. So like give audience a clear look. What are the differences? Yeah. What do you think they are different? How they're different?
Well, I mean, one's made for much finer hair than the other. One's probably used for detangling hair and getting knots out of hair, things like that.
Yeah, definitely. You're definitely right. Do you have a dog at home?
I do not. I have 2 cats.
Oh, cool.
Long hair and short hair.
Let's get in there later, okay?
Yeah.
So the rake is more suitable for those like double-coated, very heavy fur dogs, okay? De-shatter is more for like a single coat or like less heavy
Yeah.
Okay, so both of them are for like, you need them. They are very practical tools, basically. Okay.
So what is the entry point on this? What does the system cost?
$199.
Wow, that is
Yeah.
not bad, especially whenever you consider the average cost of taking your dog to the groomer to begin with.
Well, yeah.
And especially sometimes with some dogs, that is a traumatic experience.
It is.
You know, so
It's
to be
totally
able to
true.
do that at home where there is a point of trust with the animal, that's hugely incredible. We have
Totally true.
We have you for about another minute. Let everybody know where they can go to get their copy of Nikasa.
Yeah, so we're available on Amazon.com. Yeah, just search Nikasa S1 Pro, and we're also available on Nikasa.com, as well as TikTok shop.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're doing
Awesome.
really well on TikTok. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow.
And last 10 seconds, since you
Sure.
mentioned that you have 2 cats, so this is actually perfect for cats as well.
Ooh,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. The noise level is just 0, basically.
Fantastic.
So quiet.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you so much.
Greatly appreciate it. Min Mingu,
Yeah.
everybody, from Nikasa. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2024 coverage is executive produced by Michelle Mendez. Technical directors are Kurt Corliss and Adam Barker. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Clinton Millsap, Sergio Velasquez, and Terry Willingham. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Todd Cochran, Scott Ertz, and Christopher Jordan. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network broadcast, copyright 2024.